Right, this is going to be the fuel consumption of the central heating. As you can see in the top right there, top left, sorry, it's 8 minutes past 8 on the 27th, and we have got £49.33p on this meter. This is the hive. It's now at 15.5, and I am going to put it on manual. I think it's set 20. Yeah, it is set 20, and I will leave it running for about 9.5 hours, 10 hours, and then I'll turn it off, and I'll do the same over the next 6 days, and that will give me a price of how much it is on the central heating compared to diesel in the heater. But what I do know is the central heating is going to warm the house up a hell of a lot better than the diesel pump did, rather the diesel heater. But we'll see how much it goes through over the next, I think it's 5 days, because I started the diesel heater on 2 pips, so 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yeah, 5 days. Right, I'll add this to the rest of the clips, and I will see you in 5 days. Right, I'm just going in, this is today's videos, but for some reason it's recorded upside down, so all I can really do with this bit is might try to turn the, yeah, I might try to turn this upside down. You just won't have no audio. Right, hold on, let's take it back to the beginning. Back to the beginning, turn the phone upside down. Hold on. Right, zip. Right, that's showing the time and the date. That's the temperature. Zip, 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 zip. And we've got 40, 44, 40. Right, and that's today's. Let's see if I can upload this the right way around. You can actually see the time, which is up there, and the date on the smart meter. So that's what it finished at. 6:15, because my alarm never went off on the phone. I think phone's having a sissy fit at me. But that's when it went off, and we've got £44.40. And if I shut that down, going at that one, that, so it's gone through about a fiver today. It's Tuesday morning. You can see the date and time on there. Price of gas has gone down because after we turned it off last night we did some cooking. Right, let's have a look, see what temperature it is now. Right, 16 degrees. Right, I will whack that on, and I will keep a note of what time it is and add it to the last clip. Right, temperature has been reached most of the day. You're not going out, fat boy. Go on. Out. Go, 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 go. And we have got £38.85, and it is now 20 to 7. Well, it's 7:30 in the morning. I'm just editing some other bits. And where's the controller? Right, we're at 16 degrees. And you can receipt time and date on there, and it is £37.29p. That's what it is so far. I'm having trouble with the new controller. I can't get into the advanced settings, and somebody left a comment to whether it was a 5 or a 2 kilowatt heater. So I've took it apart, measured it, and I'll be posting a video on that. Well, it's time to turn the heating off. Let's see what we're at. 20 degrees. Right, baby, fat boy. Come on, beep. Right, send that in the sink. And there is £33.27. And it's 4:30. Morning, everybody. It is 8:22, 16.5. Let's go see how much we went through yesterday. Is that £31 exactly? Yeah, £31 exactly. But we had to put the central heating on ourselves last night and do some cooking and stuff. So that's why there'll be a difference between that price and the price that it finished last night. Right, I'll just click to the others. Right, it's time to turn it off, and it's Thursday the 2nd. Actual target temperature's 19, so it would have been coming on soon to bump it back up. Right. And there is the price for today. It is £26.86p. Right, this is the last clip. Temperature is 20. I'm sure I set that at 22 this morning. Did you change my temperature? I'm sure I set it at 22, but it's only at 20. Right. There's the final time. It is £19.32 at 2 minutes past 7. I'll go add this onto the paperwork and work out how much it's cost. Right, this is the final total. There are the dates for the 5 days, times I came on, times I went off, how much it was, how much it finished at, temperatures. I thought I set it today at 22, but either way it finished at 20. That's the temperatures coming on, temperatures going off. They all finished around 19, around 20. That 19 were actually on at the time. That's how long they run for. That's how much it used that day. Total 48 hours 32 minutes. Price £21.08p. And the diesel heater, which is there, was £16.25p for the same amount. So, well, you got 16.25, 21, so just over a fiver, about a fiver for 5 days. So like an extra £1 a day to have the central heating on. Now, just got to ask myself, is it worthwhile all the messing about with the heater, having to dismantle it, clean it and shit like that, or just rip it out and stick with the central heating. I can't really decide yet until I get the new control and the new motherboard where I can actually get into the menu to see what I can set it and how much it'll run then. But for now, this is how much it has cost on the central heating.